Today, I'm excited to showcase something special, our new Scan and Show module. What's this all about? presono now integrates barcode scanning and NFC interaction, unlocking platform content. Where is it used? Primarily at trade shows, in showrooms, and similar settings or scenarios. Why do this? It creates a more tangible experience. It lets me showcase products uniquely, engaging visitors with gamification and cool experiences. How does it work? We've set up a demo here to show you. We have a monitor or touch screen ideally built into a table or surface with an integrated NFC scanner. In our case, we can interact with NFC tags, which can be used in various ways. As shown, I can integrate this into product models like vehicles or use existing items like this juice box I'm placing on the scanner to instantly view product details. This comes with all the interactive and multimedia features that presono already offers. So I can dive deeper here and start a video about this product, or easily switch to another by placing it on the surface. As we can see, I've simply placed it down and immediately received the information. This becomes much more exciting with 3D product models as I can place them and instantly interact with what I'm presenting. The interactive features remain available. I can explore further, access various details, and as usual with presono, it tracks in the background, simplifying follow-ups and enabling analysis of content engagement at trade shows and showrooms. We have various interaction options here, but basically it's ideal to move around on a flat plane or in 3D models of the product, place items, retrieve info, and speak. Of course, we can also use printed cards or similar alternatives if we don't have a tangible product. presono tracks everything, enables all interaction features, allows touchscreen functions, autoplay, kiosk mode, and all other platform functionalities we're used to. As always, everything's current, brand compliant, interactive, and centrally managed with analytics. If you're interested and think, this is new and exciting, I'd like to use it at a special trade show or events where I can't bring machines but want models, this is perfect. Just get in touch with us. We'll gladly show more details, but you can see Scan and Show, the cool new module, seamlessly integrated into presono.